There are thousands of reasons why you have to grow vegetables in your backyard. However, you also have a number of reasons why you have to abort that brilliant idea, one of which is the insufficient space you have in your backyard. Whether your backyard lacks space or you lack splendid ideas of arranging your vegetable garden, these 10 backyard vegetable garden ideas will assist you to make yours become as inviting as ornamental flower gardens. As always, this list is compiled for you by simphome.com. 10. Make them hang and save more space. Some people have great expectations when it comes to gardening and landscaping. Unfortunately, their big dreams have been buried by a small backyard. Using containers is the best way to grow edible plants despite the limited space. If there is not enough space to put the containers, you can just hang them. Hanging planters allows you to grow more vegetables without gobbling up much space while maintaining their thriving growth. You can even copy this idea for your small backyard. All you need to do is just make some wooden boxes from a wooden pallet. Don't forget to drill some holes at the bottom for drainage. Then add mounted screws on both sides of the box. After that, use chains to hang the boxes. 9. Smart vegetable bedding plants. Bedding plays an essential role when it comes to backyard landscaping. Therefore, many homeowners pick beautiful flowers like chrysanthemum or tulips to create a border. Vegetables can make your backyard look exquisite too. More importantly, they serve fruitful results. Try making use of lettuce or other salad greens as the bedding, as they are quick growers. You can also try border your plants with carrots. Carrots may attract rabbits and other wildlife. To overcome this problem, you can try planting flowers with strong scent nearby or growing onions instead. 8. Raised bed garden project ideas. Making raised beds is one of the most ubiquitous ways of gardening, especially if your backyard has limited space or it is completely covered with bricks or wood paneling. Growing vegetables in a raised bed allows you to experience an in-ground gardening just like the traditional one. Your vegetables will become more productive as the quality of the soil and water drainage is under control. Raised beds will also better your backyard landscaping, as you can make it from any material of your choice to fit with your deck or patio. And if you make the sides a little bit wider, you'll get a bench to sit on while adoring your plants. 7. A raised bed with irrigation system project idea. One of the most exhausting tasks in gardening is watering. It has to be done regularly, otherwise your vegetables won't grow well. Save your time and energy by installing drip irrigation in your raised beds. Drip irrigation will water your vegetables properly, taking over your mundane duty. This irrigation system allows you to put the water right in the place where you need it. It provides slow release of water, which enables you to water your vegetables for a long amount of time, ensuring the water makes it down to the roots without overwhelming it. Besides, the foliage of the plants won't get wet. You can get drip irrigation kit online or in a nursery near you. Once you buy it, you will get main line, drip line, Y connector, cap, and elbow. Please check the manual for the proper installation. 6. Display your containers. Planters have been taken to the next level. They used to be used to grow plants, but now they come in various shapes and sizes to fit in with the decor, and thus you can use them to improve the look of your backyard. All you need to do is just buy or even make some plant stands. Your vegetables do need a stage to perform and amaze people, right? Or you can purchase your unused shoe racks or shelves to show them off on the cheap. 5. An elevated raised bed project idea. Growing vegetables in a raised bed is a good idea, but you can try a better idea using an elevated raised bed. This kind of raised bed looks like a table with plants. You can get this planting table in various sizes. Unfortunately, this raised bed tends to be shallow, which is not suitable for the plants that require much space under the soil, like potatoes and carrots, but you can always make it yourself to meet your need. The good thing of planting tables is their portability. Some tables even have small wheels that allow you to move them easily. Furthermore, they are a great space-saving solution for a cramped backyard. 4. Bring in the romantic vibes with a trellis. Many homeowners think that only beautiful flowers like roses and carnations can bring romantic vibes into their backyard. Well, that's not always true. The fact is, vegetables can do a double duty. They can provide nutritious foods that fulfill your vitamin and mineral intake, as well as turning your stark backyard into something romantic. To make it tangible, you only need to let your vegetables climb. You can install a gate or a tunnel from Trellis on which your tomato, cucumber, chayote, and pole bean climb. You can also incorporate some string LED lights to enhance the romantic ambiance. 3. Make use of the wall. Growing many kinds of plants in an apartment is tricky due to the little space, but it doesn't mean it is impossible. You can still use the wall on the balcony, patio, or deck. First, you need to install treated battens. Make sure they are 38 centimeters apart. Next, attach plastic planters, or you can use plastic shoe organizers, to the battens, using an electric screwdriver from the bottom to the top. Then, water the wall, starting from the top to create a reservoir system. Fill the plastic planters with the vegetables of your choice. Enjoy the living wall that can produce the ingredients of your salad. 2. A perfect hideaway idea. The backyard is the best hideaway ever. Who wouldn't be amazed by the relaxing ambiance provided by the greenery? To perfect this moment, place a bench in your backyard. Installing trellis right behind the bench and letting climbing plants grow on it will give you perfect shade. To complete this idea, you can install a lawn sprinkler or rotating garden water sprinkler. Before we get to number 1, I suggest you press subscribe button if this channel is new to you. Get new updates automatically every time I upload new videos. And let's find out the last idea sitting on our top chart. Lastly, number 1, a concrete block garden. Actually, this is another form of raised beds gardening hack. These concrete blocks serve a double duty. They make a perfect border for the raised bed while being planters. They also spruce up your backyard with pops of color. Now you know how to tackle the limited space in your backyard so that you can grow more vegetables. With these 10 backyard vegetable garden ideas, you'll be able to have fresh salad every day so you can shop around in your backyard. Done. That's it for now. Before you leave, like this video. If you truly enjoy it, comment it or share it with anyone close to you in your social media account or email list. Browse and follow Simp Home website for more home decor and makeover ideas. Lastly, see you again later with more videos like this in the near future. And until that time, thanks for watching. Oh, and by the way, in simphome.com, you're going to find several lists that you cannot find in the Slide House channel. For instance, 10 small galley kitchen makeovers, 12 corner cabinet organization ideas, 12 kitchen cabinet DIY makeover ideas, and many more. This kind of list is compiled with more extensive research and more rigorous writing processes. As usual, the admin completed each of these lists with a relevant video that currently, as when this script is written, is free from the domination of ads. So what are you waiting for? If you have free time and internet access, once again, follow the link inside the description area and rip all benefits that Simp Home has to offer. That's it for now. Before you leave, like this video. If you truly enjoy it, comment it or share it with anyone close to you in your social media account or email list. Lastly, see you again later with more videos like this in the near future. And until that time, thanks for watching.